Welcome back to DA's Seahorse Financial, your go-to resource for all things money-related. Hey there, amazing entrepreneurs! Today, we're diving into a topic that might not seem like the star of the show, but trust us, it's the backstage hero of your business, bookkeeping. Now, before you roll your eyes, let us tell you, accurate bookkeeping can be the secret ingredient that propels your business forward. Stick around as we explore how you can leverage your bookkeeping data to make some seriously strategic business moves, especially given the unique challenges we're facing right now. Don't forget to follow our Instagram and Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Let's kick things off with our first tip. Analyzing cash flow. Think of your cash flow statement as your financial compass. It paints a clear picture of where your money's flowing in and out. But here's the twist, understanding this map can guide you in deciding whether it's time to invest in that game-changing software or hire a helping hand. Ever spotted a red flag in your cash flow? It's like a warning light on your dashboard, signaling it might be time to tweak your pricing strategy or explore fresh revenue avenues. Yes, it's that crucial, especially in today's unpredictable market. Now, on to tip number 2, something that can save you a lot more than a few cents. Monitoring expenses. Picture this, every dollar you save is another dollar earned. By keeping a close eye on your expenses, you're not just trimming the fat, you're sharpening your financial sword. Notice any patterns? Well, they might just reveal opportunities to negotiate better deals with suppliers or optimize your resources. It's like giving your business a turbo boost while keeping a watchful eye on your budget, something that's vital during these changing times. Ready for some more insights? Let's dive into tip number 3. Reviewing profitability. Welcome to the profit playground, also known as your income statement. Here's where you uncover the MVPs, most valuable products/services, and those that might need a pep talk. Not everything on your menu brings home the bacon, right? Well, understanding what's driving revenue and what's just along for the ride is a smart move, especially when we're all about maximizing returns. Hold on to your seats, because tip number 4 is a game changer, especially in today's dynamic landscape. Identifying trends. Trendsetters, listen up, trends aren't just for fashionistas. By analyzing your financial data over time, you're uncovering the story of your business. Ever notice sales slowing down during certain periods? Or maybe your digital offerings are gaining momentum? These insights are pure gold for adapting your strategies to the ever-changing market, something that's a must in today's rapidly evolving business environment. Brace yourselves, because we're about to drop tip number 5, the ultimate way to level up your financial game. Setting financial goals. Dream big, entrepreneurs. Your bookkeeping data isn't just a bunch of numbers, it's the blueprint to your success. Think you can boost your revenue by a certain percentage or slash costs significantly? Set those goals, track your journey, and celebrate each milestone. In these uncertain times, having a financial roadmap can be your guiding star. And there you have it, savvy business owners, bookkeeping isn't just about crunching numbers or keeping the taxman at bay. It's your secret weapon for making informed decisions that'll steer your ship through stormy seas and into calmer waters. So, before you dismiss those spreadsheets, remember, they're your backstage pass to unlocking growth and resilience. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep those business engines running and make those strategic moves count. Don't forget to subscribe to our free blog for more exclusive content on our website dacfinancial.com.